everybody, we're back again today at my favorite face place. We are at Aesthetic Assets, where they do all sorts of face rejuvenation. So it's all about staying youthful and looking young, and Pam is here to tell us about the treatment we're going to be doing today is IPL. So why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, IPL photofacial is a treatment that is light-based treatment. The light will target color in your skin, so pigment. The light will look for brown spots from sun damage or age spots. It will also look for broken capillaries. So people who have rosacea, that real flushing of the skin, it's ideal for that. It also looks for dark hair, so unwanted hair anywhere on the body. Actually, we can do. The great thing about the system we're using, this is a Palomar Icon laser system. It's the top of the line, the best of the best. And what makes it so unique is that it has a device here where we can actually measure the melanin in your skin. One of the biggest risks of having an IPL photofacial treatment is a burn, because the light can't distinguish between your melanin and the color, the target that it's actually looking for in your skin. With this device, it helps the clinician set the parameters at a very safe zone so that it really takes the risk of burn away.
That's great. So this is a very non-invasive procedure. And so what do we expect? So we expect to have less hair, less dark spots, right?
That's right.
Spots.
That's right. So it just kind of brightens the skin. So it's just going to make the tone, the color of the skin more consistent. If a patient has brown spots from sun damage or age, initially those brown spots will get darker, and gradually over a period of usually 2 to 4 days, those will just exfoliate off with natural cellular exfoliation.
Awesome.
If the target is vascular, little broken capillaries or flushing, those will immediately, almost right after the treatment, the patient will notice a more even skin tone. All of these treatments require a series of treatments, usually 3 to 5, kind of depending on the extent of target, how much target is there, and kind of the patient's goal.
So how much is an IPL treatment?
So a full face IPL treatment, which is basically from your hairline and jawline, is $300. If we include the full neck and the décolleté with that, it's a $600 treatment.
And now you said if they mention Lifestyle Jewels, you will honor 20% off if they want to come and try it one time.
That's correct.
But you do highly recommend doing a series. And so a great way to do that would be the package of 5, which would be 20% off that whole package of 5.
Yeah, that's right. Because if we're targeting pigment in the skin, we're not going to be able to clear that pigment with all one treatment. So we hit the pigment, it gets a little bit lighter. They come back in about 3 weeks. We hit it again, it gets a little bit lighter. And so on. Same with vessels. We hit the vessel or the flushing, and the blood will sort of retract into the vessel. And then with your blood pressure, the blood is going to want to try to come back to the surface of the skin again. So we treat the flushing a little sooner, about 2-week intervals. We hit it again, and it pushes the blood a little further back. So with each treatment, there's a little better improvement.
So there is a method to this madness. And so I think that's really important too, because you are coming to see the results. So if you're going to do it, you really should do it. So here is my face up close and personal, and we wanted to show you all those little red capillaries that I have in my face, and you probably have them too. So over the next 3 to 5 treatments that I do with her, it's going to diminish and completely get rid of all of those little red lines. And here she is with the laser. There's no pain, it's non-invasive. You can see I'm completely relaxed. So that little red light is going to help diminish and eventually get rid of those little veins and capillaries. Also, if you have rosacea, and if you mention Lifestyle Jewels, she will give you 30% off the package of 5. So I highly recommend going for the package. And if you have any questions, message me. Have a great day. Bye.